class. I'm Mr. Tsan. I teach Math 8 to your kids. Please come right in. As you come in, I'm treating you like my student. So the first thing I do is ask them a quick little math thought, like what's negative 6 plus 11? They give me an answer, and usually if they get it right, they come right in. If they don't get it wrong, I give them a couple chances until they get it right. Once they come in, they grab their worksheets for today, or they take out their computer, go on Google Classroom like this. So today's lesson, that your child should be sketching a function from a verbal description. And from there, they look at the board and see what they're doing for today, what material they need. And I usually post up the warm-up, which they have on their piece of paper. So, but if just in case if they forget, it's right there. They should know what to do. So for usually I present it either through Elmo or through the projector, and we go over the warm-up, first 5-10 minutes of class, and then the decimal lessons or the class lesson for today to look something like this. We'll go over it, we'll talk about it, do a sample of it, team pair share if we need to, or something like just like this on your average day. And just in case if your kid didn't show up for the day, they can always check what they're doing in Google Classroom, check the stream, what I have posted for their class. And if they don't show up, make sure, or they haven't done anything, make sure they click on the specific links. So for example, if you're in May, I posted this, and they just click on it and do it to make it up. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or call me. My name is Mr. Tsan. Nice to meet you.